Hey everyone, imagine you're cruising down the highway, and suddenly, your car hesitates while shifting gears. You check the OBD-II scanner, and it throws P0898 transmission control system low voltage. This means the transmission control module, or TCM, is not getting enough power, leading to erratic shifting, poor acceleration, and potential transmission failure. But don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the exact sensor locations, causes, and how to fix this issue. What is DTC P0898? DTC P0898 occurs when the TCM detects a low voltage condition in the transmission control system. This can result from wiring issues, battery problems, or a failing TCM. Common symptoms of P0898: harsh or delayed shifting, loss of power while driving, transmission stuck in limp mode, reduced fuel efficiency, check engine light on. Sensor and component location, very important. Transmission control module or TCM location, typically found near the transmission housing or inside the engine bay fuse box, controls all transmission functions. Battery and alternator location. Battery is usually located under the hood, but in some cars it's in the trunk. Alternator is mounted near the engine block, driven by the serpentine belt, supplies voltage to the TCM and other electrical components. Transmission range sensor or TRS location, mounted on the side of the transmission near the gear selector, communicates gear position to the TCM. Wiring harness and connectors location. Wiring runs from the TCM to the transmission solenoids, sensors, and power supply. Inspect all connectors, fuses, and relays near the TCM fuse box. Always check your vehicle's manual for exact sensor locations. What causes P0898? Weak or dead battery, not providing enough voltage to the TCM. Faulty alternator. Low charging voltage affecting transmission control. Corroded or damaged wiring. Loose or frayed connections causing voltage drop. Blown fuse or bad relay, interrupting power to the TCM. Failing transmission control module or TCM. Internal faults reducing power supply. How to fix P0898. Step 1. Check battery voltage. It should be 12.6V engine off and 13.5V to 14.5V engine running. If low, charge or replace the battery. Step 2. Test the alternator output. If below 13V, the alternator may be failing. Step 3. Inspect all transmission-related fuses and relays. Replace any that are blown. Step 4. Check for corroded wiring. Clean or replace damaged wires connected to the TCM. Step 5. Scan for additional codes. If the TCM is faulty, you may need to replace or reprogram it. Final words. Ignoring P0898 can lead to serious shifting issues and possible transmission failure. Fix it early to avoid costly repairs. For more OBD2 error codes, check out these videos. P0662. Intake manifold tuning valve control circuit high bank 1, P0663. Intake manifold tuning valve control circuit high bank 2. This is IG Garage, your go-to source for car fixes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.